President Muhammadu Buhari's decision to retire and relocate to Niger Republic has met with an avalanche of criticism. Buhari said he will leave the country for neighboring Niger Republic if his retirement is disturbed at his hometown in Daura, Katsina State. Buhari stated this during a banquet organized for him by the Federal Capital Territory residents led by the minister, Mohammed Bello, during a Salah celebration now. Mohammed Bello, he also thanked Nigerians for tolerating him. The president said he is from the extreme corner of Nigeria, Daura in Katsina State, which is just 8 kilometers from the Niger Republic. Chairman Middle Belt Forum, Dr. Bitrus Pogus, joins us to react to the Buhari statement on retiring to Niger Republic. I want to say thank you very much for joining us today. First of all, just to open up the discussions here today, what do you make of this news? Do you think people are just making a mountain out of a molehill by saying that Buhari decided to retire to Niger Republic is a big deal?
Oh, it's a big deal. I mean, the first citizen of Nigeria who would have served Nigeria for 8 years, given the best kind of protection, being the president, somebody Nigeria has invested in, to say after retirement or after leaving office, if people should disturb him, he will relocate. It's very sad. It meant that he was never committed to this country in the first place. Otherwise, this is a person who is supposed to stick it out, even if this country is burning, after he leaves office, and be a statesman and ensure that the country survives. Not to think of himself and to feel just because people might disturb him, then he would relocate. I don't know what he was thinking about when he made that statement, but it's very sad that Mr. President made that statement, and it should serve, the response should serve by all others, not only myself, should serve as a warning to any other leader that you are here as a Nigerian leader to serve Nigeria, whether in office or out of office, and not to shy away or run away when things get tough on you as an individual. So it's unfortunate that statement was made, and we pray that if it was made in error, he should come out and tell Nigerians, look, he was joking, but if it was even a joke, it's a joke that went too far. Nigeria is a country, and Nigerians have vested so much in President Buhari by electing him into office as president and giving him all the privileges that a president deserves. And when he leaves office, he should remember and continue to serve Nigeria, not to run away just because of pressures.
I can't even wait to go home. If you said tax, I'll move to Niger Republic.
It is the first country to be visited after assumption of office as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. President Muhammadu Buhari, accompanied by governors of Sokoto, Katsina, Borno, and Yobe states, was received on arrival in Niamey, Niger Republic, by President Yusufu Mahamadou.
Nigerian News Direct. Federal government confirms purchase of 1.4 billion billion naira vehicles for Niger Republic. Federal government confirms purchase of 1.4 billion naira vehicles for Niger Republic. You find
many states cannot, pay salaries. States are borrowing money to pay salaries. In the midst of all of that, you now take 1.6, 1.4 and then you buy vehicle auspiciously. For me, it's not, these vehicles are not vehicles for security. Vehicles for me are vehicles for the big boys of the Niger Republic. But the truth of the matter is that why Niger Republic? Nigeria is our boundaries. We have Benin Republic. We have Cameroon up the Bakassi axis. So you keep, everything seems to be pointing to the Niger Republic. There's a railway going to Niger Republic. Yet we have several other states around. So we are beginning to wonder, there's something about Niger Republic. And for me, it still comes around that issue of ethnicism, Fulanization, nepotism. So I don't think the timing, for me, it just it doesn't demonstrate that we have a leadership that is sensitive to the people.
There is no Buhari. Jubril was there. Jubril followed Abba Kyari to Cuba and ran away from there and never came back. The man you have now in Asorok is from Niger Republic. His name is Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad. That's his name. Yusuf Abubakar Muhammad.
Beatrice, a lot of Nigerians believe, and you even said it, that statement means that he's not been committed, to serving Nigeria, that he's distant from reality. But at the same time, too, I would also like us to point out that the president has been saying it for a while, that he's tired and that he's actually looking forward to retirement. So I'm wondering if there's any lesson we can learn from here. When a president is tired, is it compulsory that the president stays into power until the handover date? When a president is tired, shouldn't the president retire instead of, putting the country through hardship and unnecessary stress, and then at the end of the day talks about running away from the country if he's been disturbed?
It's correct. If he had known that he was tired ab initio, he should have retired even before now. But the issue here is not just being tired or being unhealthy or whatever it is. It's a question of commitment. Here you are as a president, somebody who has served this country for 8 good years, who will retire from service just few days from now, because today we are marking the first day of May. And for him to make such a statement is just that to say that, yes, gentlemen, I served you, but all along, you are not my priority. When I leave, if you continue putting pressure on me, I'll go to where my priority has always